Hi everybody, today I'm so happy to bring you my unboxing of the Mijia Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 3. Okay, this is my very first cordless vacuum device. I bought it from Taobao, China for $155. Okay, with this price I can get a 260 air watt powerful vacuum cleaning device, which is very great. Okay, without any waiting, let's unbox the things. Okay, so as you can see, a 260 air watt, it has around 9 minutes maximum operating time. Okay, so let's see some on the packaging. Okay, the model number is E201. The vacuum itself weigh around 3 kilo. Okay, and as you can see, here is the image of the vacuum itself, the handle over here, the filtering system over there, and here is the brush. Okay, oh wow. So let's see. Okay, here is the handle. I think we can. Okay, here is the manual. I hope that there will be in English, Chinese. Okay, everything are in Chinese, but who care? Google Translate is gonna help me anyway. Okay, so okay, what is this? I think this is the wall mount. Okay, you fix this part to the wall, and this one hooked to the handle. Okay, you can see there is a Mijia logo over there. This is the where you plug the other two head. It comes with 3 head. Okay, so this is the adapter. Okay, everything as you can see all in white. I wish they made the black one, but I don't see the other color outside the white one. Okay, here is the plug. Let's see the voltage. Wait. Okay, so okay, this is the main head. That it is a soft velvet floor brush. Okay, okay, it's very flexible. Here is the velvet part that clean. Okay, it's rotate like that and suck all the dust into this one. Okay, okay, this is another head. Okay, I think it's a Mite removable head. Okay. Okay, here is the main motor and the handle all in one part. Okay, this is the most heaviest part. I think it's around 3 kilo. Okay, as you can see, this is the filtering system. It's kind of big. Okay, but it's very powerful, so I don't care about the size too. Okay, And let's see, it here is the last one. It's a 2-in-1. Okay, it's a 2-in-1 brush. Like this. Okay, when you want need to clean, okay, and you want just only to suck like this. Okay. So it comes with 3 brush type. The first one is the soft velvet floor brush. Okay, the second one is a dye removal brush. Okay, and the third one is this 2-in-1. Okay, with this 2-in-1 you get a maximum operating time of 90 minutes if you run in a power saving mode, or 24 minutes in auto mode, and only 10 minutes for a maximum power mode. Okay, so with this brush you get a maximum operating time of 90 minutes, but with these 2 brush you get a maximum operating time of 50, only around 1 hour or 55 minutes if you run in the low power saving mode, and in auto mode you get around 20 minutes with these 2 brush, and for if you run full power you get only around 12 minutes with these 2 brush. Okay, so yes, like I previously mentioned, it has a maximum rating power of 260 watt, which is very powerful. It gives you a maximum of 110,000 RPM deep dust removal and anti-tangling. Okay, it has a 90-degree wide angle green light. Okay, that allow a 16 time magnification of dust particle. It has an infra sensing device in this body. There is an infra sensing device that intelligently sense the dirt and adjust the suction power automatically. Okay, and in this body it has a total of 8 cell of 2500 milliampere battery. So like I said, the maximum is around 90 minutes or 1.5 hours if you running with the 2-in-1 brush. This one with 2-in-1. Okay, and also with the power saving mode. Okay, so it has a double brush. This one is anti-tangle. It works great with hair. If you have a lot of hair in your room, or you have a lot of pet, this is also pet friendly. Okay, there is a new tailor-made 12 cone filtering system that separate the dust and airflow. It allows a stable suction. It reduces the suction loss and extend the service life of filter element. The filter element is here. There is a 5 level of filter element. The first one is in this area, the second one in this part, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth is over there. Okay, so there is 5 state level of filtering system that lock the particle as small as around 0.3 micron, and the efficiency is up to 99.97%. Okay, and here is the main operation screen. It's in LED. It gives you the battery. The battery will show here, and there is 3 level. The lowest mode, or the power saving, the auto one, and the maximum speed. Okay, this is the button for you to switch the speed, and okay, you can see, you switch it, you can see here is the battery indicator. Okay, and you can off. Okay, that's all. So that's all for this vacuum device. Okay, I will use it daily for a while and see how it's go. So please leave a comment or any question if in below this video. I'm happy to answer all of your question or comment. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.